technology available, and if you've got private health cover, the Cataract Clinic has a policy of no gap on your surgery fees. If you need cataract surgery, call the Cataract Clinic in North Sydney, 9460 1188. Come on, give them a ring, 9460 1188.
Tired of sleepless nights? Order Close Comfort and say hello to portable air conditioning that cools you wherever you are. You'll sleep well in a blanket of cool focused air at night and stay cool and comfortable throughout the day. It's great for small spaces and needs no water, hoses or messy installation, so it's totally portable. Save goodbye to big bills too, as its revolutionary technology saves up to 75% on power. Keep cool and comfortable wherever you are with Close Comfort. Order yours today at closecomfort.com.
You're listening to Nights with John Stanley on Sydney's 2GB 873.
News and then finance with Brett Steen, Blake Winter coming up straight after the news, which is next.
Oh, the Brian Factory. I was in a supermarket the other day, and I asked the man where I could find the Worcestershire sauce. He said, you mean Worcestershire? I said, no, it's Worcestershire, isn't it? Anyway, this went on for about 4 hours, and by the time I got home, I had 3 new light globes and a banana. Thank goodness I have new Blind Factory blinds to make every day at home a lovely day. Blind Factory. Call 13 Blinds. With an assistant young girl.
Join Ben Order for breakfast. 5:30 weekdays.
This bulletin by a great sound in historic building. Queensland Twitter is refusing to remove the image but will mark it as sensitive. New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern is condemning the post.
New Zealand has registered directly with Chinese authorities our concern over the use of that image. It was an unfactual post, and of course that would concern us, so that is something that we've raised directly in the manner that New Zealand does when we have such concerns.
Australian academic Kylie Moore Gilbert says support from her family and colleagues gave her strength to get her through her Iranian nightmare. The 33-year-old has released a new statement after returning to Australia following 2 years in an Iranian jail. At a record low of 0.1%. The RBA signalled rates will stay at this level in years to come to help revive the economy from its COVID slump. And an Australian film is being made about the film after Mexico. Dan says it will focus on the events leading up to the mass shooting in 1996, which saw 35 children killed and 23 others injured. Taking a look at finance now, it's $1 is buying 73.51 US cents.
Listen to the Race and Morning Show weekdays from 9 on 2GB.
Basketball legend Andrew Gaze has admitted he's disappointed Andrew Bogut won't be playing for the Boomers at the next Olympics. Bogut